Sometimes you might want to change the language in Google Chrome, and there are a few ways to do it. In this tutorial, we'll cover the most effective options first, then go through some bonuses you might not know about. So let's get started. The easiest way to change the language in Chrome is through the browser settings. First, open Chrome and click the three vertical dots in the top right corner of the window. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Open Languages and add language you want to use. Once added, click the three dots next to the new language and select Display Chrome in this language. Restart Chrome, and the browser will now appear in the language you selected. Another setting that might affect your browser language is the one set in your Google account. To change it, click your profile icon in the top right corner of your browser, then click Manage your Google account. In the left side menu, choose Personal Info. Scroll down to the bottom and click on Languages. Here you can set your preferred language for your Google account. However, this might not be enough. You may also need to change the search settings associated with your account. To do this, start by performing a search on Google. Then click on your account icon in the top right corner and select Language. Alternatively, you can navigate by going to google.com/preferences. From there, go to Other Settings, then Language and Region. Finally, change the display language to the one you prefer. If the language in Chrome still hasn't changed, it might be using the language set on your device. On the Windows 11 operating system, it can be changed in the following way. Open Settings. Go to Time and Language and then select Language and Region. And here, you can change the default language used for apps, including Chrome. A similar setting is available on mobile phones. For example, on Android, use the following approach. Open Settings. Go to System, then tap Languages. Here you can either change the default language for your whole phone or set a specific language for just one app. Chrome has also an option to change the language of your search. Start by searching for anything on Google. Below the search bar, you'll see some options. Click on the last one, Tools. Then select Advanced Search. In the Advanced Search settings, you can choose the language and region you want to search in. Once you save your changes, your search language will be updated. Another bonus is that Chrome also has Google Translate built in, which is really helpful when you come across a website in a foreign language. You can translate the content directly on the page. Just click the three dots in the top right corner of the browser and choose Translate. A small dialog will appear. Click the three dots in that dialog and select Choose Another Language. After picking your preferred language, the page will be translated so you can read it easily. I hope this video helped you with any language issues in Chrome and maybe even showed you something new. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.